Hi, this is Mr. Silverman with a short tutorial on how to do the bingo sheet project. I suggest that first you go to View, Header and Footer to put your name in there, hit Close, and then you could either use Word Art or just put a simple title. Next, you're going to go in and insert a table, insert table, and it's 5 columns by 5 rows. Hit OK. Now, notice that we're going to change the borders on this so that the inside borders are different than the outside borders. If I mouse over to the upper left-hand corner, you'll see this box up here that's called the drag handle. If you mouse over and then left click and then drag, you can move the table anywhere on the page you want. So that's called the drag handle. What you do is you mouse over until it appears, and then you can click and drag on that. That's one way of selecting the entire thing really quickly. Just by clicking on this, it selects the entire table. The other thing that you could do is you could do Control A to select everything. But if you just want to select the table, click on the grab handle. So I'm going to make the borders the way I want them. I'm going to Format, Borders and Shading, Borders, click Custom. Custom allows me to change the borders individually. So on the outside, I'm going to pick a style that looks like this and double click, and then the entire table, the outside will be like that. If I go back again and do Format, Borders and Shading, I can change the inside lines to something different. So let's pick something like the wavy lines over here, and double click, hit OK. So now the inside borders are different than the outside borders. If I want to shade the center cell, what I do is mouse over to it so you see that arrow pointing, and then click in there. I've selected that cell, and then go to Format, Borders and Shading, and then pick 20% gray. Make sure it says Apply to Cell, hit OK, and now you've started the framework for your bingo sheet. The next thing you'll do is insert individual images into each cell using Insert Picture from File. So here's the example. I'm going to click in a cell, go to Insert Picture from File. I've already gone to my network account, and I've kept all the images in my tech folder. This is just one image. Click on that, hit Insert, and I've appropriately cleaned it up and resized it so it's not too big. You could always adjust it by click on it and dragging it a little bit smaller. And then if I click off to the side and hit the Enter key, I can put a label below that. And just fill out the other cells that way and you'll be fine. That's how to do your computer bingo sheet.